All right, so this is 2021 ACZ internal. I'll try to answer question 12. So on this question 12, we're supposed to find the standard deviation, okay? We're supposed to find the standard deviation, of which I've already made a video on standard deviation. So if you have not watched the video, do so. And watch this one, yeah, too. All right, so my main focus is on question 10b, okay, on how to find, on how to answer a question, an exam question on a relative cumulative frequency. All right, so if you can see right here where I've put my ink or I've used black ink to write the numbers here. These spaces were blank, so I just had to put this. So, and this is actually the first question where they say complete the table. All right. So, so how did I find these numbers? It's very important. So to find these numbers, you just get the number that is at the beginning here. We have 0 divided by this stuff, 700. You get a 0.00. 30 divided by 700, you get this. 100 divided by 700. So all these numbers, you keep on dividing them by 700. The number that is right here, okay, the number which is at the end under cumulative frequency. So here I said 500 divided by 700. I got this one. 660 divided by 700. I got this one. And 690 divided by this one. I got this one. So what you basically need to understand that here we have what we call relative cumulative frequency, and this relative cumulative frequency is found by dividing whichever number you are trying to find the number below by the total number, which is 700 in this case. Okay, and in the last column, it must give you a 1, okay, 1.00. So that's how it works. All right, I know most of you are aware on how to work out this, but my main interest is on graphing. So they have said using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 10 units, okay, on the x-axis for 0 is less or equal to x less or equal to 70, and 2 centimeters to represent 0.1 units on the y-axis for 0.00 is less or equal to y less or equal to 1.00. Draw a smooth relative cumulative frequency curve. So this is my main interest. So what you need to do, you need to get your graph, come up with your Cartesian plane or x or y plane like I've done here. Hopefully it's clear, you're able to see. So you come up with this. So I know most of you, or most of my students, or students so to say, face challenges on how to identify the numbers, how you're supposed to be moving. We know that from here to here is 2 centimeters, or each box, this box here is 2 centimeters. From here to here is 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, just like that. So you must be going to the point right here which says using a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 10 units on the x-axis for 0 is less or equal to 70. This is x-axis, and they have said you should be moving in tens, this number 10 units. So it will be like this. From 0 you go to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So that's how it's supposed to be done. And for y-axis, they have said we should be moving 2 centimeters to represent 0.1 units on the y-axis. So 0.1 units. So it will be like this. From 0, 0.1. That should be your first number to see, 0.1. So next, it will be 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, up to 1. Okay, so once you're done with that, now we start picking the coordinates, and this is where people also make mistakes on how to pick coordinates. So what should be coming in your mind is that the number that is on top right here, like this one, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. So this is 0, 0, 0.00. This one is 10, 0.04. Just like that, you pick the numbers that are on top here, skip the middle row, you go to the row that is below right here. So for example, the last here it's 70, 1.00. So that's how it works. So here I have 0, 0.00, it will be right here. I have 10, 0.04, it will be right here. So how did I know? Because I know this is 0.1 and what I want is 10, 0.04. So I know 10 is right here. If I start counting going upwards, this is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04 is right here. So even here, the next will be 20, 0.14. So 20 is right here. This is 0.1. So we want 0.14. So 0.14, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Another point will be right here. Another point, if you follow the coordinates the way I'm writing them, another one will be right here. Another one will be right here, and right here. So now you can join these points, and the points must be visible. Hopefully you're able to see my points. They must be visible. So this is how your graph will look like once you join the points. It will look like that. And remember, you're supposed to use a pencil, not a pen. So this is my graph. This is how my graph looks. So we go to the next question. The next question right here, they are asking us to showing your method clearly. Use your graph to estimate 8th percentile. So for me to find the 80th percentile, I'll just say 80 over 100 times 1. So this is how you find the percentiles. You get the percent, the number that you've been given. In this case, they've given us the 80th to find the 80th percentile. So it's 80 over 100 times the total number, which in this case is 1. The number that is over here, in this case, it's 1. So when you work out that, you find that you are getting a 0.8, and this is not my answer. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm just showing my work of what I'm expected to do. So I'll go to where 0.8 is, which is right here. So this is where 0.8 is. So I'll make a line like that until it touches the graph. So from there, I'll start now dropping like that. So this is where it has come. It has come at 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, at 44. This is at 44. So my 80th percentile is equal to 44. So this is how you answer this exam question. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can get in touch with me on my number, which is right here, 0969175701. You can WhatsApp or call. And one more thing, we are conducting online tuitions. So if you'd like to be part of our online tuitions, you can still get in touch with me right here. This is the right time to start your online tuitions. If you are writing your GCE, remember there is COVID. We've been affected by COVID, whereby online tuitions are helping a lot because tutors are not moving, are not following you or meeting you where they're supposed to meet you. In that case, we've decided to come up with an issue of online tuitions. So if you would like to join, you can just get in touch with me right here on this number. Bye bye.